Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Bluetooth device not working on Windows 10. Let's fix this guys. First step, go to search menu and type services. Services. Open it. In services you go to Bluetooth support services, double click on it. Click here and click automatically and start. Apply. Okay guys, that's it. Next step, you need to go to search menu and type device manager guys. In device manager you need to click on Bluetooth. I don't have it. Click on Bluetooth here and whatever here having, right click it and update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Search for update driver on Windows. Update. To whatever Windows update having it, download and install it. Install it. That's it for today's video guys. Hope this tutorial worked for you. Give me a thumbs up guys. Thank you for watching my videos.